My name is Bill Thompson. I'm the proud principal of Queen Victoria Public School for Trillium Lakelands District School Board. The idea was I contacted about the makerspace because we were kind of tinkering with it a little bit last year, and immediately was drawn in by everybody. Anybody who could say, hey, yep, that's great. Let's get something together. Let's work with the staff. And the staff are absolutely incredible. So throughout the summer, we were talking about it. How can we bring the experience to the kids? We knew that it was just a very short distance away, so we started fundraise and started be thinking around those for budgeting pieces, timing, and then it just snowballed. Ampere provided an opportunity for everyone to be receiving the same perks and the same education, the same engagement, and so suddenly our attendance with Ampere, we noticed a spike in a positive way. We would have full classes. Kids would all be coming. Everyone was included. It didn't matter what socioeconomic status, what cultural piece you're coming from. Like, everyone was welcome, and everyone could participate to their own abilities. Ampere has leveled the playing field just through opportunity. That's really what it is. Without the set opportunity for everyone to experience, everyone's coming in from a different spot. And some have much more to contribute and much more to reflect on. But this opportunity in such a controlled environment with such a tightened lens on inclusion and engagement allowed everyone to dig in, and it didn't matter what what age you were or where you were kind of at, and I think it shows because we've got all kinds of kids who will take a step outside their comfort zone and show up to Ampere on Saturdays now. From what I understand, it's actually quite popular. No one's going through the motions. When they show up, it is open arms, big smiles, let's go. And all the staff who are inviting them in want to be on the floor working with them, or want to be digging in. And again, it doesn't matter the age. Like, you can be 4, you can be 14. They genuinely enjoy what they do, and you can feel it. Kids can feel that. They're sensitive to that. So another big shout out to the staff here. Some of these students had different kind of mobility barriers or other kinds of special education barriers. And as long as we let the staff know the general, here's where we're at, just wonderful programming, ready to go. And it was built in, it wasn't an addition to. So that's like inclusive is not trying to wedge in someone into an existing program. It's okay, we're going to build around, and we are going to make sure that everyone has a spot and everyone has a place and everyone can feel included and work on this. And they did it every single time, home run every single time. Yeah, the conversation is just opportunity. It's now a place where if you go to this school, you get to do this. That's so huge about this is Queen Victoria will be a STEAM hub in Kawartha Lakes, and it will be a sought after place to bring your kids to attend to buy a home within the area. So we're certainly changing the narrative. It's always been a great school. It's just going to be even better.